A pleasant day to everyone. This PowerPoint talks about the Stone Ages, also known as the Paleolithic stage, came from the appearance of the Homo habilis from 5 million years ago. Early humans lived in the woodlands and used crude tools to survive by scavenging from carcasses of creatures wiped out by predators or died of natural causes. The earliest stage of entrepreneurship began when early humans developed hunting tools. With their tools, they moved to sparsely wooded areas. However, with little physical and intellectual capital to increase productivity, they lived in small groups in order to survive. Since the amount of food available in the foraging areas determines the population, life expectancy was short of only around 20 years, while the adults may live up until their 40s. During the Stone Age, the population growth rate was almost around 0.0007%, doubling in about 100,000 years. As tribes became larger for the local area, some families separated and occupied new lands. With better tools for food exploitation and the ability to track and barter, efficiency increased, but not productivity, as they depleted large tracts of land, tree-dwelling animals, and water mammals for food and clothing. By the close of the Stone Age, population limits reached their limits in some fully populated areas. This stimulated the development of domestication of wild animals and plant cultivation to feed the excess population, starting the agricultural age.
Of Stone Age is the Paleolithic Age. Paleolithic Age, often referred to as the Old Stone Age, was the earliest period of human history. It began around 2.5 million years ago and lasted until approximately 10,000 BCE. During this time, humans were primarily hunter-gatherers, relying on hunting wild animals and gathering wild plants or food. They moved from place to place in search of sources, following the migration pattern of animals and the sensational availability of plants. Certainly, in the Paleolithic Age, humans lived in small nomadic groups, typically consisting of extended family units. They developed simple tools and weapons primarily made of wood, stone, bone, and aid in hunting, gathering, and other daily activities. The lifestyle was dictated by the end of constantly search for food, water, and shelter, since they were hunter-gatherers. They rely on their knowledge of the environment to track and hunt animals for meat, while also gathering fruits, nuts, roots, and other plants. Tools crafted during the Paleolithic Age were rudimentary and made primarily from stone, wood, and bone. These tools, such as hand axe, spear, and scraper, were essential for hunting, butchering animals, and processing plants. The discovery and control of fire were significant advancement during this period. Fire provided warmth, protection from predators, and ability to cook food, which made it more digestible and helped unlock nutrients. Paleolithic humans had a profound understanding of their surroundings, including the behavior of animals and the sensational patterns of plants. This knowledge was crucial for their survival as it allowed them to adapt to various environments and exploit resources efficiently. Artifacts from this era, including cave paintings, sculptures, and personal adornment, provided insight into early human culture, spirituality, and social structures. Overall, life during the Paleolithic Age was characterized by a constant struggles for survival, but it also led to the foundation for later development in human culture, technology, and society. The second stage of Stone Age is the Mesolithic Age. The Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age followed the Paleolithic and lasted from approximately 10,000 BCE to 6,000 BCE. This period saw further development in tool making, including the introduction of microlith small, finely crafted stone tools. Microliths were used for tasks such as cutting, piercing, and carving, indicating increased precision in craftsmanship. During the Mesolithic Age,